I want to talk to you about Yaya's Kitchen. Yaya's Kitchen is a space where we host supper club and pop-ups. The pop-ups we host it every Saturday of the month, and the supper club is done twice a month, Saturdays. And we do this supper clubs where we bring people together, we bring ideas together, where we build community and we build people. We build community and we build friendship. The supper club is an avenue where people come together, eat, drink, and share ideas. While the pop-up is for takeouts, it's usually where we showcase street foods across Africa, the Caribbean, South America, and some part of the US where Black people are. So the Yayas Kitchen is there to build community, build friendship, and bring people together. I started cooking when I was 8 years old, I would say, because I was the oldest child in the family. So once my mom was in the kitchen, I was always there with her. So for me, that was my beginning of learning how to cook. And from there, I grew up to take care of my siblings. And once I was much older and I was comfortable to cook in the house around the age of 12, I'll cook for the whole family. And from there, it became part of me, cooking. And I remember even when I was in the university, most of my friends would, after lectures, lunch is at my place, because they know I would not go to the cafeteria and cook. I'll always cook in my apartment. I'll always cook. There's always food in my space, so they're always coming to eat. So cooking has always been part of me growing up. Once I'm in the kitchen, it's like, Mommy, can we come and help you? Can we come and help you? And once I'm cooking, I enjoy cooking with them because I show them what I'm using, you know, and they're always asking questions. Why are you using this? And I think it's also a space for me to bond with them as well. So they enjoy being in the kitchen with me all the time.